you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out super nice 67 Chevelle SS 396. It's a true 138 VIN. It's had a complete frame off restoration. Super nice little car. So all the grille and headlight bezels, bumpers, all been redone. Black vinyl top really looks good with the silver. Got the black stripe on the side, factory stripe. The car's real straight, flat down the sides. Got a nice set of Rev Classics on it. 17-inch. Just a very, very nice car. Taillight bezels and the tail panel moldings have all been replaced. Rear bumper's been re-chromed. Vinyl top's new and it's very nicely done. Real, no wrinkles or anything in it. Got the dual side view mirrors. Got power disc brakes with drilled slotted rotors. Now this is a 496 aluminum headed roller cam. It's got the front drive serpentine pulley kit. It's got vintage AC and heat. Aluminum radiator with dual fans. All nicely detailed. It's got an electric vacuum pump boost for the brakes. Got 400 turbo trans, 12 bolt posi rear. Jams are all real nice. It's got all new interior in it. Got the factory gauge package. Retrofit stereo system. Headliner's real nice, tight. Got front rear seat belts. It's original SS wheel. They did a nice job doing the vents in the dash for the AC. Trunk's all real nice. It's got a spare and a jack. And a couple pair of gauges there underneath. They're better accuracy than the factory ones. They did a real nice job with the AC vents, like they should be. Again, this is a 496 stroker. Backup lights, everything works. I'll tell you, this thing is a ripper. This thing pounds the ground. sway bar, got aftermarket rear control arms, tubular arms. Super, super cool car there. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook.